We are pleased to show you the 2022 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, front stabilizer bar, power brakes, rear stabilizer bar, ambient lighting, battery saver, braking assist, heated steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.